Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need help with?
I'm a little lost. I'm trying to get to the central library.
The Central Library? Yes, I know where it is.
Great! Could you tell me how to get there?
Sure. When you leave the pharmacy, turn right and go straight ahead.
Okay, turn right and go straight ahead.
Exactly. Keep walking for about 2 blocks until you reach a traffic light.
Did you say 2 blocks?
Yes, 2 blocks. At the traffic light, turn left onto Pine Street.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch the name of the street. Could you say that again?
Of course. Turn left onto Pine Street.
Pine Street. Got it.
Then continue straight until you come to a large intersection.
What should I do when I get to the intersection?
Cross the street at the crosswalk and keep going straight.
Do I need to turn anywhere after I cross the street?
Yes. Take the second right after the intersection.
The first right or the second right?
The second right. The first street is Oak Avenue. You need to turn right onto Maple Avenue.
Okay, so I should pass Oak Avenue and turn right onto Maple Avenue.
That's correct.
What will I see after I turn onto Maple Avenue?
You'll see a bank on your left and a coffee shop on your right.
Is the library near the coffee shop?
Yes. Walk past the coffee shop, and the library will be at the end of the street.
Which side of the street is it on?
It will be on your left.
Is it next to anything?
Yes. It's next to the post office and across from a small park.
So the library is between the post office and another building?
Exactly. It's between the post office and the City Hall building.
That sounds easy enough. Is it far from here?
Not really. It's within walking distance.
About how long will it take to get there on foot?
It should take you about 15 minutes.
Is there a shortcut?
There is, but it might be confusing if you don't know the area.
I'd rather take the easier route.
That's probably a good idea.
Would it be faster to take the bus?
The bus might save you a few minutes, but walking is easier from here.
Where is the nearest bus stop, just in case?
It's around the corner, beside the grocery store.
Which bus goes to the library?
You can take bus number 12.
Does bus number 12 stop directly in front of the library?
No, but it stops across the street from it.
How many stops is it from here?
It's only 3 stops.
I think I'll walk. Let me make sure I understand the directions.
Go ahead.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope this lesson helped you feel more confident asking for and giving directions in English.
Don't forget to follow English Flow Avenue on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook for more helpful English videos.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.